Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about saving goals for 2026. Let's get into the video. It's another year upon us. Therefore, most of us have set goals we could like to achieve in the year 2026. One goal you could consider reaching is to set a saving goal for the year 2026. For the year 2026, you could set a simple goal to save at least $70 per month from your paycheck. I believe this is better than saving nothing. You can also come back and increase this if you can, but work on sticking to this $75 per month saving goals for the year 2026. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.